Your first crypto trade feels exciting, right? You see the green candles, the hype, the confidence, and you just know it's your moment. But what if I told you that exact moment is when people lose? Because yes, people might think that crypto looks like an opportunity, but it's actually like an emotional battlefield. And unless you understand how your own mind works, the market will use it against you. Today, we're diving into the 4 emotional traps that destroy almost every beginner's first trade. They don't lose because of bad charts, they lose because of bad reactions. Let's break them down and learn how to beat yourself before trying to beat the market. First mistake: FOMO and herd behavior. Buying when everyone feels safe. Everyone's shouting, "This coin's going to the moon," and you don't want to miss it. But following the crowd isn't investing, it's emotional outsourcing. This is what experts call herd behavior, when people make decisions just because others are doing the same. It feels safe, but it's a trap. Emma did it. 2 weeks later, her moonshot was down 80%. When everyone's buying for no reason, or when everything looks green, that's exactly when caution should replace excitement. Patience often pays more than hype. Second mistake: expecting to get rich fast. You've heard those kind of stories, haven't you? Someone gets rich overnight, but for every success, there are 1,000 quiet failures. James made 40% in 2 days, then lost everything the same week. Quick profits feel good, but they're rarely last. Patience isn't sexy, but it's how traders survive long enough to win. Mistake 3: going all in. Putting everything on one coin feels bold until it's gone. Remember Luna and UST? They were safe until they weren't. People lost fortunes in 48 hours. Diversification isn't a weakness. It's self-respect. Your emotions will always try to convince you that you're smarter than the market. But the market has seen a million versions of you. Don't pretend you're in charge until you understand the game. Next episode will expose the strategic mistakes that look smarter on paper but quietly drain your account. If you recognize even one trap you've fallen into, download our free emotional trading checklist, link below. It shows how to spot these patterns before they cost you money. Please subscribe and join the next episode on strategic mistakes.